Hello guys, I'm about to show you how to use the trend line trick and how useful it is for all newbies and old traders. If you are interested, please watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Make sure the time frame is set to 5 minutes. Then we need to get the high and low resistance using the trend line. And here's what you need to know. First, the right volume. We can get the right volume based on your fund. In this case, I have a $200 and we only need to get the 10% of it, and the 10% of it is $20. It should be 0.20 volume based on my Forex account. This is just our opening volume, and other trades will be 5% or 0.10. The maximum number of trades should be not more than 10. Secondly, the right time to make a trade is based on the market time. For this, you just need to review the previous market times where the market candles are going up and down very fast, and sometimes it will blink. I called it a turbo time, so I recommend not to make any trades within this time. Finally, when is the right time to take a profit or stop loss? In this case, the stop loss is when the opening volume profit reaches negative 40 max, then close all positions. The take profit is based on your first opening volume. Our opening volume is 0.20, and if the profit reaches $20 max or below, then close all positions. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you want more, just comment below.